Hey guys, it's Amy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my very first luxury designer ready to wear haul. I had bought some stuff from Louisa via Roma and also Matches Fashion. Some things I had to return and some things I kept. So I guess I'm here to share with you what I kept and also talk about, I guess, sizing and also why I returned the other items. Basically, they just didn't fit. But let's talk about this top first because I'm already wearing it. I love it so much. This is my favorite. Love all the details here. You see the buttons. It basically is it's a faux button up. It's not a real button up. You can't really button more than it is already done, but basically they continued the buttons all the way on both sides as a decoration. And I love the open shoulder detail. The sleeves are balloon sleeves. They're actually a little bit loose for me. I'm not sure if it's probably because of my small wrist, but I also only was able to get it in the size 6, the UK 6, which is unfortunate because I think the UK size 4 would be perfect on me, although I can still pull it off. It's not like so big that I can't really wear it, but it is a little looser than I would have liked. So this is the top version. There's also a jumpsuit version which I really liked, but I didn't get the jumpsuit because I was thinking that it might not fit me, because I told you guys already in my several try-on hauls before that I have narrow hips. Basically my proportions are more like, I don't want to say straight because I'm not really straight, but I'm closer to the straight body type, like the rectangle body type. So that's why I don't think that the bodysuit will fit me, because I won't have enough hips to fill out the pants. As you will see, because I tried to style it like the jumpsuit. Whenever I try to wear anything more voluminous on the bottom, it doesn't look as good. I actually look better with skinny jeans and really skinny bottoms, because it just works better with my body type. There's a couple cons with this top. One is that the shoulders tend to fall down, and I don't know if it's because of the size. It could probably be one of the reasons. I think if it was a smaller size, maybe it would have less tendency to fall. But I do like that it has enough fabric to cover your bra, so you're actually able to wear a bra. So what I will actually end up doing is I'll sew one of those hooks inside, like, you know, a lot of the good quality clothing, they have like a little fabric and a little snap button where you can hook on your bra. The other con is whenever there are tops that stop at your arm like this, whenever like these areas, including the dresses, because I have a version of the asymmetrical dress in the high street haul. Anytime there's this kind of design, it actually is hard to lift your arm. So like, as you can see, it's actually kind of preventing me from going further. But that's one of the cons for, like, I guess the design. I guess as long as you don't have to always lift your arm, then you're okay. It does have a hidden closure zipper here on the left side, so I'm pretty sure if I got it in the size down that it would be like the perfect size. But anyway, I'm still really happy with it. My favorite way of styling this top is just with a skinny jean, but with a high-waisted skinny jean. So that's like the best way for me to wear it, because that is the most flattering on my body shape, I think. Also, I would love to get like a good pair of skinny leather pants so I can wear this top with. I think the different texture would work so well. So I'm definitely gonna be on the hunt for some really good, well-fitted leather pants to go with this. Other options is to wear it with a skirt as well. I styled it with a really long line skirt for you guys with a slit on the side. So that's one option for like a nighttime sort of wear. Or you can also style it with some really tight again, leather skirt, like a pencil skirt, or like just any skirt that is more on the tighter side, just because this is kind of more flowy looking, so it will look really good with the contrast. These are actually the jeans that I picked up in the boutique myself. Yeah, these are my favorite jeans now. These are high-waisted skinny jeans. I got them at the boutique in Sandro. So there's a few luxury stores that opened in our newest outlet here in Richmond. So if you're in the area, then you can go check it out. There's Mage, Sandro, Ted Baker, and then a bunch of other stores as well, but the higher end stores are these ones. And I saw these jeans on sale and I was so happy that they fit. They're so comfortable. These are probably my best jeans that I have. Everything else I have don't even compare to these. Like, these are so soft right off the bat. I even washed them already, and I air dried them, so I didn't even put it in the dryer, and they are still soft. And they fit like a glove, and I'm so glad that I'm able to find high-waisted jeans that actually work, because most of the time, like I said, anytime I wear anything high-waisted, it doesn't fit anywhere else. It says here that it's from the winter 2016 collection, so it's pretty old. I guess that's the reason why it's in the outlets, but I'll try to link it below if I can find it, or I'll definitely try to link anything similar if I can. This is the other ready-to-wear that I kept, and I love it so much. The only thing is that with this kind of lace, it's so delicate. It's so easy to get caught into like stuff around you, or even your own rings and stuff like that. And then see how like the lace, a little bit of the fabric is already coming off. But anyway, it's so pretty. So this is a spaghetti strap dress, the iconic self-portrait. It has a built-in bra, which I always prefer, because anytime you have a spaghetti strap, or anytime you have some like a lot of showing of the shoulder or bare shoulders, of course there's always strapless bra and all that, but sometimes you just don't want to have to deal with that, especially on such a tight-fitting dress. I think it looks nicest when you can just wear the garment itself. Anyway, this fit me like a glove, and I'm so glad that it actually fits, because I'm going to talk about sizing in a minute because it's so inconsistent and it's so weird. But anyway, I got this in a size UK 6 as well, which is basically equivalent to a US 2. In case you guys don't know already, designer ready-to-wear or designer clothes, like the higher end ones, their sizing is usually on the smaller side. Like, you kind of usually have to size up of your regular store clothing. So in, say, Banana Republic or even like Aritzia, I'm often a double extra small, and I'm often a petite extra small as well. So an extra small is like a 0 or a 00. There is no way I'm gonna fit in a 0 in like designer ready-to-wear, because their 0 is gonna be super tiny, and there's no way. So for designer ready-to-wear, I'm actually a US size 2, or I guess in this case a UK size 6. There is also the version where the lace actually overflows. I have to say that it's very tight-fitting on the upper body area, so it's probably not going to be fitting for all body types, unfortunately. I feel like if I were to gain weight, or if I just even like ate a little bit more, that I would, you know, feel really uncomfortable in this dress. But it is so beautiful that I want to keep it anyway. The detailing here, it has a little bit of a see-through, it's actually, oh, you can actually put your finger through. I didn't even know that. That is why it's see-through. But yeah, basically it shows a little bit of skin here in the belt area, and I love how puffy the bottom of this dress is, and I love that it has pockets too. It's amazing. Not that I will really use it, but at least it's there. But yeah, like I said, because of my body shape, anytime there's an A-line, anytime a dress does the A-line really well, it will suit me, because then it will give me the illusion that I actually have some hips. It's kind of like a darker lavender color. I styled it for the daytime with, say, a small crossbody Chanel mini flap, but you can also wear it in the nighttime with a clutch, and just use one of your shawls. So in my case, since I already have a blue denim shawl, I thought that I would just throw them together. I didn't really care that there was like monogram and then a lot of lace detailing. I thought it looked nice. That's pretty much for all the items that I can show you. The items that I no longer have, as in that I returned because they did not fit, are an Isabel Marant oversized blazer jacket. It was on sale, so I really like the style, because it's one of those oversized style with like really prominent shoulders and kind of like a longer line, almost like a boyfriend. On the runway, they really exaggerated it, and they put like a super oversized shoulder and they really cinched in the waist for the model. So I knew that it was going to be on the bigger side. I was hoping that it would just be like oversized looking but not overwhelming. I actually like styling myself with really tight bottoms, and on top I can wear oversized, that's no problem. However, it still didn't work with this blazer, which I'm so sad because I really loved the blazer and it was really heavyweight wool, really good quality. And I got it from Luisa Via Roma on sale, and I still had to return it obviously because it was just way too overwhelming. Like it was way too big even with the smallest size. So what had happened is that it not only like looked way too boxy and way oversized, like it was like all the way out, it was also like this long. It was super long and super big. It looked like I was trying to wear a men's jacket, I guess. So it did not work out. There's a couple more self-portrait dresses that I ordered that did not work out either, and it's due to sizing issue, and also the proportions just didn't work for my body type for some reason. So I'll put it beside me on the screen. This dress is an asymmetrical dress, and I wanted to get it for the wedding that I'm attending in February. I thought it looked so beautiful and I love asymmetrical designs. It was just really off. Like I ordered it in a size 6, tight in the waist area, but the bust was fine, and then the hip obviously was fine because like I said, I don't have any hips. So that didn't work out. I always look at the sizing chart just to make sure that, you know, hopefully it will fit me, and it was totally off from what it was described. I think if you go on the self-portrait website and look at the sizing chart there, I think that's actually more accurate than the Matches Fashion one. But yeah, it was just the dress, I guess. It just didn't work for me. I do recommend that you go to the self-portrait website itself and check out the sizing there first. The second dress is this really long, really pretty flowy dress. That one also did not work out because it was like this much longer. I know I can hem it, but yeah, I didn't really want to. And plus I ordered it in a size 6 because according to Matches Fashion, that should be big enough for me, but it was really tight. That's it for my first designer ready to wear haul and try on styling haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you found the sizing and styling tip helpful. Like I said, sometimes it's really hard to judge even if they have sizing charts on. They're not always accurate, so if possible it's best to go to the store and try it on. Unfortunately for these items, they're pretty much sold out in the local stores in my size anyway, so I was not able to try that in store anyway. So luckily with Matches Fashion, it's easy enough to return. I mean, I just put it on. If it didn't fit, I just put it back in the box and called DHL. As usual, I'll pop all the links down below in the description. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for dropping by. It would be amazing if you decide to subscribe to my channel as well. I would love to have you back. And that is it for today. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again very soon. Bye!